You can expect a lot from the 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.